Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if a unit vector A, so we have a unit vector A, makes an angle of 60 degree with I, 45 degree with J, and theta degree with K. Okay, so look at this. What does this means? So, these guys are carrying a vector A1I, A2J, A3K, and these guys are talking about the angle on x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Okay, if you remember, do you remember that we used to find out a cap? How we used to find out a cap? Magnitude of a by determinant of, sorry, vector a by magnitude a. So a1I plus a2j plus a3k upon root over a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. So this is our unit vector, and the component of unit vector is the angle made by the vector A with x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So can I say that, and we call it as cos alpha, okay, cosine. So it is a1 by root over a1 square, a2 square, a3 square. Then we have cos beta as a2 by a1 square, a2 square, a3 square. Then we have cos gamma, same thing, a3 by a1 square, a2 square, a3 square. Okay, so this is the angle made by the vector with x-axis, means I. This is the angle made by the vector along y-axis, that is with j. It is the cosine of angle made by the vector along z-axis. And look at the question. So vector A is making 60 degree with I. So can I say that cos alpha as, this is making 60 degree. Okay, so can I write cos pi by 3? Okay, then we have cos 45. So cos beta as cos pi by 4. And we will consider cos gamma as cos theta. If you remember, we used to call this as L, this as M, this as N. And also we guys have memorized one result, that L square plus M square plus N square equals 1. If you are not comfortable, you have already M square plus L square plus M square plus N square. Just add them and find what you will get. You will find out that it is coming out to be 1. Okay, now look at this. So can I write cos square, I'll change the color. So we got cos square pi by 3 means cos 60. So cos 60 square plus cos 45 square plus cos square alpha theta. Okay, they were saying theta equals 1. So cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is what? 1 by 4. Cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square is what? 1 by 2. So can I write 2 by 2? It is cos square theta 1. So can I write this thing as cos square theta equals, this is what? 3 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4 is what? 1 by 4. Okay. So cos theta will be what? either 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Okay, we need theta. As you know that these guys are talking about this angle. So after 90 they are talking about. Okay, so this is pi by pi. So after 90 we need to go with 1 by 2. Okay, sorry, minus 1 by 2. So we should go with what? Like in second quadrant we should go. Okay, and second quadrant it is 60 degree, means can I say that the value of theta is 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. So it is 2 pi by 3. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.